Classical conditioning is a type of learning in which one learns to link two or more stimuli and anticipate events.
To show classical conditioning, Christi will say 4 random phrases while doing homework with Kelly. Christi and Kendall knew that something unusual would happen every time the 4 phrases were said. Doing this made Kelly have a conditioned response to the unusual phrases and actions.
The 4th time, the unusual actions would not occur to see if Kelly was conditioned.
Do you know how to solve this problem?
Yeah, you just use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay, so you add this and then subtract this and it equals this?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a grape in my sock.
Okay. How do you solve that problem?
Okay, so you plug b here, which is negative b plus or minus the radical of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a.
Oh, okay.
A giraffe flew into my window last night. What do you use to solve this problem?
You just use the unit circle, so if you're trying to find like 30 degrees, you just go there.
Oh, that makes sense. My pet rock bit me yesterday.
For this question, you use the Pythagorean identities, right?
Yeah, you would use sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1.
Okay, that seems really easy.
Yeah. There's a grape in my sock.
Operant conditioning is a type of learning in which behavior is strengthened if followed by a reinforcer, or diminished if followed by a punisher.
Conditioned reinforcers, also called secondary reinforcers, get their power through learned association with primary reinforcers. If a mouse in a Skinner box learns that a light reliably signals that food is coming, the mouse will work to turn on the light. The light has become a conditioned reinforcer associated with the food. The mouse adapted to the flashing light, knowing when the food was coming. It then later knew to push the lever down to get the treat.
Although a basic feature of operant conditioning is reinforcement, classical conditioning relies more on association between stimuli and responses. A second distinction is that much of operant conditioning is based on voluntary behavior, while classical conditioning often involves involuntary reflexive behavior.